Today we're going to be talking about Mehron's 3D gel, which is a gelatin-based special effects product that you can use to create fake wounds, scars, and your own custom prosthetics. 3D gel comes in 3 different colors. We have a flesh, clear, and blood red. A lot of the questions that we get asked are how to use 3D gel. So as you can see, this comes in a solid form. So it's really helpful to be doing this in your kitchen where you have access to a microwave or your stovetop. If you're going to be using a microwave, you can put the bottle of 3D gel in at 10-second intervals. What you want to be careful about is not overheating it because the bottle could melt because this is plastic. So what I recommend is to remove the cap. You can place this in at 10 seconds. If half of it is liquid and the other half is solid, you could put it in for another 5 seconds, but check it. Once everything is liquid, you can shake the bottle up and then begin to use it. If you're using the stovetop, you can boil a small pot of boiling water and place the bottle right inside of it. So I like to fill it up to the bottom of the cap here and just wait until everything's liquid. So I just heated this bottle up for about 10 seconds in the microwave with the cap off. So I just want to show you the consistency. You can see this is now really liquidy. And what I recommend is taking your bottle and pouring it into a little shallow container like this. So you can let it cool off before applying to the skin, because right out of the microwave, this is probably going to be too hot and you don't want to scorch yourself. So once you have it out and you feel that it's gotten to a comfortable temperature, you can start to apply this to the skin. So what I like to do is take Mehron's stainless steel spatula. You can mix this just to make sure that there's no air bubbles in it. And then you can start applying right to the skin. So what I'm going to do is just kind of create a fake scar, a risen scar. And you can layer this on if you want it to be thicker, if you want it to be more risen. And this only takes a few seconds to dry. So you can see that this is pretty sticky and we want to get rid of that sticky texture. So we're going to take Mehron's color set powder and Mehron's fan brush here and just get a little bit onto our brush and put this right over the 3D gel. This is also going to help to mattify it because it was pretty shiny, and help prep it if we're going to paint it to make it look a little bit more realistic. So now that this is powdered, we can go in with Mehron's bruise wheel or special effects palette to color this and give it a little bit more depth and make it look a little irritated. So what I did was take a little bit of the dark red in the bruise wheel and some mask cover from the special effects palette, and I'm gonna just mix these together. You only need a little bit because this is very pigmented. Just gonna mix them together just to mute this shade of red a little bit because it's very strong. Now I'm going to go in kind of a stippling motion just to create a little bit of redness and irritation, and then we're going to buff this out so it looks more realistic.